I just got this from Japan, but that's not everything. I may have ordered a little more than I planned, but I'll get into everything in a bit. For now, let's just unbox everything. Hello again, and big thanks for making it this far. Anyways, as I test the PSPs in the background, I'll talk about everything you have seen this far. So, today not everything was from Japan, I'm sorry. But the first two packages were obviously too heavy for me to ship from Japan. The PS4s and the PS3 that I bought locally. And for the PS4, I'll pretend that it didn't come in trash bags and a box full of polystyrene, and also had hidden damage, but that's for another video. Moving on to the Japanese items, the SD cards. All of them are fine and working. I checked with Valid Drive. I am not an expert, but that is enough for me to conclude that they're just fine. For the iPods, I found out that one of them is actually a special edition, and I found just one eBay listing for 800 US monetary units, so I am not sure how to price that. Moving on to the consoles, I bought them in two orders from two different sellers. One didn't describe their condition and just listed it as dirty/damaged. The other claimed that all of them are not functional and have no games. But as you will see, both of those claims are false. If you are a noticer, you must have noticed that there was a Vita in one of the listings, and it's not here. So let me guide you through my experience. I ordered a Vita about 3 months ago. It's in my previous video. That went just fine. This time I order a Vita through the same proxy, buy it, arrives in their warehouse, and everything is alright. Then I message them if they can remove some batteries from other consoles in the same package. At that point, they message me and say, quote, "We are unable to provide the necessary documentation for customs clearance." Make of that what you will. It's currently being shipped with another service, and it hasn't left Japan as of recording this video. Also check this out. I got 3 games this time, and one of them is the same $40 game as last time. Goodbye.